Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this series. While that other video was loading, I just started playing around. So if you didn't watch part 1, how to get here, you need to watch it. But I just started playing around with the extrude tool, and we're going to extrude this guy just ever so lightly. Then you're really done, but you can still play around with it and, carefully, change the axis. It's easier to do it by the numbers sometimes. So if you click here, you go by the numbers and then just say okay. And then let's go to object and break the extrude group apart. Grab the very first one and make it a blue. Grab the outer one and put a black outline around it. Of course, it's got extra lines because it's an extrude group. If we made the lines just a little bit, 0.24, that's too much. That looks pretty good. Still too much. Maybe an 8. It looks like it's bending, getting smaller, and extruded. And you can, look at that and take it away, and would look pretty good. I actually went too far. You can barely read it, but if you watch part 1, you'll be able to see, how we did that. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.